Welcome to a world where simplicity meets sophistication and where boldness is balanced by serenity. In this video, we explore a minimalist house that defies convention by pairing elegant design with a bold color palette, all while incorporating calming Zen elements. This modern retreat invites you to experience a unique combination of peace and vibrancy, blending harmony and energy in every corner. Prepare to be captivated as we take you through the exterior, entrance, and every thoughtfully designed space within this home. Join us as we discover the tranquility of Zen within a backdrop of minimalism and impactful color. The house's exterior combines minimalism with bold accents that stand out against its sleek, neutral base. Imagine a facade primarily in soft grays and whites, complemented by striking accents in deep emerald and navy. The clean lines and simple geometric forms offer a harmonious contrast, inviting the eye to appreciate each bold pop of color in a tranquil setting. Flanked by a meticulously designed Zen garden, the exterior embraces natural beauty with a touch of modern sophistication. Stones, bamboo, and water features surround the house, creating a calming space that hints at the Zen design elements waiting within. The entrance pathway, adorned with polished stone steps and low-maintenance plants, sets a welcoming tone for the journey ahead. Stepping into the entrance, guests are greeted by a minimalist foyer that immediately establishes the home's tranquil yet bold aesthetic. Here, we find a mix of warm wood textures and statement wall colors, like a dark indigo accent wall adorned with Zen-inspired artwork. This contrast of bold color and simple lines creates an intriguing balance between energy and peace. The space is free of clutter, with a single console table featuring a calming bonsai and a few selected decor pieces. The lighting is soft, yet bright enough to illuminate the details, making the entrance both warm and welcoming. The pathway leads naturally into the living area, encouraging a smooth and unhurried flow through the home. The living room is an inviting sanctuary of comfort and style, blending a neutral palette with strategically placed bold accents in rich earth tones and vibrant blues. Soft gray walls provide a calm backdrop for a deep teal sofa and terracotta cushions, creating a balance that feels both warm and refreshing. Large windows invite natural light to flood the space, enhancing the room's airy, open feeling. To complete the Zen-inspired design, a low, Japanese-style coffee table with a natural wood finish anchors the room. Decorative elements are minimal, with a few pieces of handcrafted pottery and a single statement plant. This room encapsulates the home's philosophy of simplicity with thoughtful details, offering a serene place to unwind. The hallways are designed to transition you smoothly from one space to the next, using light and color to guide the way. White walls accented by deep green or navy sections provide a sense of flow while maintaining the home's calm and clean aesthetic. Artfully placed skylights bring in natural light, adding an element of softness to the bold design choices. Natural materials like wood and stone are subtly incorporated along the floors and baseboards, enhancing the Zen-inspired feel. The uncluttered pathways and thoughtful lighting create a journey of calm and anticipation, building a harmonious experience as you move deeper into the house. The kitchen embraces minimalism with sleek cabinets in a matte black finish, juxtaposed against white marble countertops that add an element of elegance. Stainless steel appliances maintain the modern vibe, while wooden open shelves hold a few curated dishes, emphasizing a blend of form and function. The bold choice of black cabinetry anchors the space, lending a sense of grounded sophistication. A small herb garden by the window adds a touch of green to the space, connecting the kitchen with the Zen theme seen throughout the house. Minimalist pendant lights hang above the central island, casting a soft glow that makes this space as inviting as it is practical, perfect for preparing and enjoying meals in style. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining room continues the theme of elegance and simplicity. A long, natural wood dining table takes center stage, with seating in dark leather that brings a touch of luxury. A bold, oversized pendant light in black hangs above the table, creating a focal point that complements the minimalist decor. The walls feature subtle gray tones, allowing the dining table's natural grain to stand out, while a large potted plant adds a splash of green, reinforcing the Zen-like tranquility. This space is designed for both intimate meals and social gatherings, offering a refined yet comfortable setting. Moving outside, the backyard is a carefully designed oasis with minimalist landscaping that incorporates both stone and greenery. A bamboo fence provides privacy, while a koi pond and small waterfall introduce elements of movement and sound, creating a tranquil retreat. Stone stepping paths meander through the garden, inviting you to explore the calming surroundings. The seating area features low, wooden benches with neutral cushions facing a small fire pit. This setup allows for relaxation and contemplation, embodying the Zen principles of simplicity and natural harmony. It's an ideal spot for evening relaxation or quiet morning reflections. The bedroom is a serene sanctuary, combining minimalistic design with a touch of luxury through bold color accents. A low platform bed in lightwood rests against a deep navy accent wall, with linens and muted earth tones that contribute to a restful atmosphere. Floor-to-ceiling windows allow ample natural light to enter, with sliding shoji-style doors that add a traditional Japanese influence. A few select decor pieces, like a meditation cushion and a small, carefully placed bonsai, maintain the Zen ambience. This room is designed to be a personal retreat, emphasizing relaxation and connection to nature. The bathroom is a modern haven with a minimalist approach to luxury. A stone-soaking tub is positioned under a skylight, allowing natural light to bathe the space. Deep gray and white tones create a spa-like environment, complemented by polished stone and bamboo elements that bring in a natural feel. This elegant design encourages relaxation and rejuvenation. A floating vanity with a bold black countertop and open wood shelving adds sophistication while staying true to the home's minimalist design. A few selected plants add a refreshing touch, keeping the space aligned with the Zen-inspired aesthetic seen throughout the house. The lounge area is a cozy space featuring deep, inviting seating in bold jewel tones that stand out against the neutral walls. A low, round table with a Zen-inspired stone arrangement is at the center, providing a perfect spot for casual gatherings or solo relaxation. The space is designed with comfort in mind, balancing the bold accents with softer, calming decor. Large windows bring in natural light, while the uncluttered design and minimal furniture maintain a clean, peaceful atmosphere. It's a place to unwind, read, or meditate, perfectly in tune with the home's overall design philosophy of simplicity with an elegant touch. The outdoor dining area is a serene extension of the home, surrounded by lush greenery and framed by minimalist stone walls. A long, low dining table with bench seating invites guests to enjoy meals al fresco, with a view of the Zen garden. Neutral-toned cushions add comfort, while the table's bold wood finish ties into the elegant yet minimalistic theme. Ambient lighting in the form of lanterns and hidden path lights creates a calming glow as evening falls. This space is perfect for tranquil dinners or small gatherings, blending seamlessly with the natural beauty around it, making it the ultimate outdoor retreat. Thank you for joining us on this journey through a minimalist home where bold elegance meets Zen tranquility. This house is a true testament to the power of thoughtful design, showing how bold colors can coexist beautifully with calming elements to create a balanced and serene environment. We hope you found inspiration in the unique blend of modern minimalism and Zen philosophy that makes this home truly special. Be sure to like, subscribe, and join us for more explorations of stunning home designs that capture the art of harmonious living.